Hello everyone. We're going to talk a little bit about the recent volatility in markets and what can we expect in summer, because usually summer is a period in which we can expect rather significant changes in how people put their money and set themselves for the rest of the year. So let's start with the super cyclical sectors. Super cyclical sectors, the ones that are more tied up to commodity prices, have been performing rather well in the past 7 to 10 days. Those are particularly because the dollar has been losing strength relative mostly to the euro, but also because of a certain sort of base effect. Let's take a little bit of time to think about this, because it could be a trap. So we can be take the opportunity at least to reduce some of the exposure to super cyclical sectors, because expectations of growth and inflation expectations continue to be revised down. Now, we don't have to be extremely negative about markets fundamentally, because the expectations of growth, even though they're coming a little bit down because of emerging markets and because of commodity-driven countries, continue to be reasonably positive. Even in the US, where growth has been slightly revised downwards, we are happy to believe in a second quarter that is going to justify being exposed to North America and to US driven assets. So opportunities to buy some more there. Another thing that we need to be involved in is not so cyclical sectors, defensive sectors, sectors that are tied up less to the economic cycle and more to the earnings cycle, and sectors in which what we are seeing is strengthening of guidance and improvement of total shareholder return policies, that is share buybacks, dividend increases, and guidance for the year. So a time to take opportunities to buy some of those sectors, and a time to reflect on how to unwind the reflation trade. Inflation expectations continue to be coming down, and second, extra cyclical stocks or sectors, because as we were talking about before, expectations of growth, particularly in emerging markets, are being revised downwards. So being prudent but moderately optimistic. Thank you so much.